What if you were told to evaluate 1 over 3 divided by bracket open 5 over 7 bracket open 9 over 10 minus 1 plus 3 over 4 bracket close bracket close. First, we take note of BODMAS rule, which says bracket first. Hence, we start from the inner bracket. LCM of 10 and 4 is 40. So we have 40 divided by 10 equal to 4. 4 times 9 gives us 36. 40 divided by 1 equal to 40. 40 times 1 gives us 40. 40 divided by 4 equal 10. 10 times 3 gives us 30. Our equation can be rewritten as 1 over 3 divided by bracket open 5 over 7 bracket open 36 plus 30 minus 4 divided by 4 bracket close bracket close. Solving further, we have 1 over 3 divided by bracket open 5 over 7 bracket open 26 divided by 40 bracket close bracket close. The bracket inside implies multiplication. Therefore, we have 1 over 3 divided by bracket open 5 over 7 times 26 over 40 bracket close. Solving what we have within our bracket, we have 5 divided by 5 equal 1, 40 divided by 5 equal 8, 26 divided by 2 equal 13, 8 divided by 2 equal 4, 7 times 4 equal 28. So we end up having 1 over 3 divided by 13 over 28. Changing from division to multiplication, we have 1 over 3 times 28 over 13, which is equal to 28 over 39 as our answer. Thank you.